Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how to use CapCut template in TikTok in a few steps. So the first, open TikTok app, then go to Discover. You can click the magnifying glass icon on the top right corner. Then search for CapCut template. Then choose and click on the video. You will see CapCut icon here. Then click on CapCut icon. After that, click Use Template in CapCut. Click Use Template again. Then you can choose photo or videos, as many as the template needs. I will choose some photos. Okay, then click Next. See the result, then click Export. As I said before, click Export. Then click Export without watermark. So this is how to use CapCut template in TikTok in a few steps. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.